to the best part yet, because you're definitely going to want it after this.
So the big question is, what are top agents doing to absolutely crush it in real estate, grow their teams and add more transactions year over year while so many struggle? To get the answers, we interview top real estate agents to learn their secrets to success. Listen, we believe every agent should make a minimum of $100,000 per year, and we're on a mission to make this happen. We've already helped over 100 agents achieve this with our coaching. So if you want to fast track your business growth, get to your first $100,000 in GCI, or add another $100,000 in GCI using social strategies, then head over to go.eliteagentsecrets.com, or you can just click the link in the description below. Also, just make sure to follow us, hit that subscribe button, and if you get any value from this at all, please tell a friend and leave us a review. My name is Andrew Dunn.
And my name is Peter Michael. Welcome to Elite Agent Secrets.
The third one, and I know your third topic is something that is not been used a lot for the last couple of years. So it's a little bit antiquated. So we're brushing the dust off.
We were shocked to even see it as part of your topics. And it was kind of exciting at the same time.
The listeners are going, they might have guessed. But this is, we're going to have to blow the dust off this one. But they're starting to come back in full force. Being an extrovert, this is like your jam. If you're a real estate agent, you're a big extrovert, you're about to get excited. Your third and final topic is events. Break it down. How are you crushing events?
Yeah, so pre-COVID, totally crushing it. Definitely could have events. And then, we bought an office at the best time because we moved in January of 2020. So
nice.
Worked out really well. To have our own space for events. But right now we're about to construct a 45 by 25 foot pavilion out back with big fireplace and veneered stone feature wall and a bar and for all our events.
Yeah, this makes me want to come visit you and kick it. Holy shit, what the hell?
I haven't gotten to the best part yet, because you're definitely going to want it after this, because outside became the thing. Hence why we're doing a pavilion outside. We have a small space inside, but people are just going to be more comfortable outside, and people want to be outside when you can be outside.
It's a racetrack. It's a racetrack. It's not actually, is it? That'd be amazing if it was. No. If you're about to actually say, I'm like, fuck me.
No, we're bringing it to the water. So we live on a lake. The lake's right there. We sell properties in all around the lake. It's what brings everyone here, whether you live on it or you're just near it. It's why everyone's here. So luckily enough, I bought a boat, and it's like a wake surf boat, if you know what that is.
Oh, those things are cool.
Yeah, so we love it. So why not share that with people? So on social media, we did contests. Who wants to come learn to surf with us? If you know how to surf, come just surf with us. We just
drink a beer on the boat.
Yeah, so we offer surf nights for people. So they sign up, they come, teach them how to surf, for an hour and a half at, sunset on the lake. They meet us at the town docks. We come, we do videos for them. We take photos of them. We give them that so they can, kind of like you're going to an amusement park. You get your videos when you're done and your photos when you're done. We give them swag. So making waves is the hashtag on the back of the swag. They're SBF shirts with the logos, the family pic. They get the beach bag. And we just have a fun time. So why not share that with prospective leads, buyers, people just in the community, the local business people we just did a spotlight for? We'll invite them to come on the boat. If they don't want to surf, they don't have to surf. They can go for a boat ride.
Nice.
But, those are those, it doesn't have to be a big event. It can be a small event, just doing what you like to do. We're going to be hosting book clubs here. I don't read, but one of my team agents does. She hosts, offered our space, and she's going to have a book club here. It doesn't really do anything other than just being at our office. But however we can be the spot where people gather, that's kind of the point of now the pavilion out back.
That's such an insanely good idea. You're basically becoming like the community hub. It's really fucking smart. For people listening, it's think about this from a long-term play, how smart this is. Because this doesn't have to be deals like this year, next year, or whatever, although they will come. Think about this. Yeah, the community center isn't actually, it's a real estate owned or a realtor owned building by Lake Life Group. And it's fuck, this is a really smart long-term play for community. You're just going to be the community center, the social hub. is owned by, your group. And it's like, wow.
Yeah, we just started last year and it was a huge success for us. A lot of businesses are closed Mondays and Tuesdays, and we're big foodies. So we were like, where can we get food on a Tuesday for lunch? Why not have food trucks here every Tuesday for lunch? So we got 10 rotating food trucks, one to come each week from May to October on Tuesdays. And there's nowhere for anyone to get lunch here during that time of year. All the places happen to shut down for lunch. So the town and area people, on their lunch break, people on vacation, they come to Lake Life Realty to go to the food truck. And now they're here at our office. And then 2 of those a month were fundraisers for the associations we're part of. So people would take their pictures with the association, flags, banners, donate, learn more about us, just socialize. So we're doing a networking 11 to 2 outside every Tuesday at our office, but it's with food.
See, I think the most inspiring and the cool thing that you guys are doing about this is not only are you doing this with the intent of bringing the community together, but now you're tying the community together, right, on a different level, because now you're getting them all involved in the community, not just by like, hey, come hang out, come kick with us, get some food. No, you're like, hey, let us do these business spotlights where we can feature these business owners. So then we can show the people that are in a town to then come kick it with us. We'll give back to the community. We'll get these other associations that we believe in for everybody who shows up to support. So now you're getting the buy-in from the local businesses.
Yeah. Vendor relationships, they'll be massive as well, sending you deals.
They're so deep. It's like, by the time that somebody is ready to buy and sell, if they don't do business with you, they really just must not like you or participate in the shit that you do, which is probably very small odds. And the second part is they really must have some allegiance to a family or friend of theirs that is their next door neighbor that will not let them live that down, that they didn't do a deal with them. But then it's you're not even competing at this point. You're dominating, and you're literally building your own ecosystem and your own community for the community that ultimately will also yield these other agents that are at these different places to flock to you, because we as human beings don't want to be alone or have the fear of missing out by not participating. So I'm assuming you also have other agents coming to your events with their clients, right? Yeah. And it's, I don't even know how, there's no wrong way of doing this.
Yeah, I mean, you've really positioned yourself to literally be the only choice in your market.
And it just, like I said, it's full circle. So the food trucks, like, yes, it's an event. It's posted all over social media, but they come, they scan the QR code to be added to our event thing. Then they get we put them in the Facebook group. They add themselves to the group. So they get notified when the next food truck's coming, when you can sign up for a surf night.
Wow. You're playing exceptionally smart here, Brie. These are some fucking big dog moves, because this is like how you take over a market. This isn't like how you become a top team. Like, this is how you dominate a whole fucking market, by really position. Because for everyone listening, obviously other people in different places, you can obviously do this, right? It's a lot of work, but this all obviously huge capital investment, also longer term play. It's not going to happen next year, but like in 10 years, for example, you could just have the most Goliath team, brokerage, whatever you want, because you own the whole fucking thing. Like, this is one of the things that we talk about with all the team leads, mega teams, solo agents. Anyone listening, we spoke about this a million times. I'll say it to them blue in the face. Whatever brokerage you're with, no one gives a shit. They only care about you. They're doing business with you. They don't care about KW. They don't care about Compass. They don't care about EXP. They don't care. But do they get the same Brie that it was with KW, that's, I don't know, with Compass or whatever? It's like, Yes, because it's not them you're doing business with. You're doing
Right.
business with Bree. Like, you need to get over everyone listening. And, you know, I know people have loyalty to their brokerage, and sure, that's great. But like, the reality is your brokerage didn't send you the business. They didn't build your business for you. If you failed, which a lot of them do, they don't really give a shit. I hate to tell you people this, but they really don't. I say this with all the, you know, authenticity and like compassion in the world, but like, listen, you know, KW ain't crying when you fail in your first year and quit. They're just not. Neither's Compass, neither's whoever else, right? So, Bree, this is insane. What I want to do, in case anyone does want to come surfing, I want to give you the floor now. This is the bit where it's like, if people want to buy, sell, join your team, I don't know what you got going on, other stuff, events, you obviously community center. How can people reach out, check you out on socials, whether it's phone, email, website, socials? Tell the people how they can find you and check out your stuff.
Yeah. So the team, it's Lake Life Realty. So lakeliferealty.net is the website. The TikTok is Lake Life Realty. Pretty self-explanatory. Couldn't get that on Instagram, so it's Lake Life Realty NH for New Hampshire. And the same way for Facebook, Lake Life Realty NH after the facebook.com.
Love it. And then they get to see your surfing videos, bro. That's what you're
yes.
going to check you
For
out.
that, they're going to have to search her directly.
Bree, this has been an absolute pleasure. You've dropped some absolute fire. You've definitely, like, even from us interviewing hundreds of people at this point, we've never heard anybody doing something kind of as extreme as I'm going.
This is so out of the box.
Yeah, I'm going for the whole fucking cake. I don't want a slice. I don't even want a big slice. I'm going for the whole cake. And other people can take the crumbs, which is so inspiring because this is what we're about. Like, this is about, like, go big, man. Like, dream big and have big goals and really hunt after it. And, you know, it's been an absolute pleasure to have you on the show. Everyone, we hope you've enjoyed listening to Bree and having it, and being a fly on the wall. We've absolutely loved having that conversation with you, Bree. And to everyone listening, we will see you in the next one. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in gaining access to our course and coaching programs 100% for free, then head over to go.eliteagentsecrets.com.